Yes, it's your boy Soulz. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have food, Tipper's food. So guys, make sure you watch this vlog. If you're new to this channel, smash the subscribe button, like and share, and see you guys there. Gonna try this chicken soup, guys. Give you the taste and a review. That's actually banging. That's 10 out of 10.
Best of food, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, man. I give this a 10 out of 10, guys. I've got to try this again. Banging. Definitely a 10 out of 10. So guys, make sure you come to Tipper's Food, put your belly in a good mood. So guys, come here and smash the subscribe button, like and share. Don't miss out. It's your boy Soulz. Peace out. Look at that juicy, beautiful chicken soup with corn. Guys, don't miss out. Make sure you come to Tipper's Food.
Chicken gouge and chips.
Yeah.
And a mac and cheese, please. Thank you very much.
Just 10 minutes here, Michaela.
Yeah, no worries, I'll sit here.
The mac and cheese, nicely cooked and grilled. Looks banging. Guys, definitely a 10 out of 10. So guys, make sure you come to Tipper's Food. Don't miss out. See you guys there. Peace out. Guys, we got customers there waiting already. So pop down in Fowler Road, Prebendal Farm, Tipper's Food. Put your belly in a good mood. This is the location where it is. It's getting busy. Guys, make sure you come down. The food is 10-10.
Main man is here. Thank you for everyone for showing love today and coming over, man. We're at Prebendal Farm. This is my spot. Prebendal Farm, one-stop shop, sorry. He's been waiting for me since 5 o'clock, man. I've only managed to give this little interview for him now, man. I've been super busy. But I'm overwhelmed with all the love and support, man. And yeah, I'm glad everyone's liking the rap. So yeah, let's keep the momentum. Let's keep the journey going. Let's do this.